Welcome back to my YouTube channel Urban Motors. Hello everyone, I hope you will good. Yamaha has officially confirmed what we've all been speculating about for years. The R1 V4 is coming in 2027. This marks a massive shift for Yamaha and could redefine the superbike segment entirely. Buckle up as we break down everything we know so far, and why the R1 V4 is shaping up to be the ultimate superbike revolution. FYI Diaris Cedilla, Section 1, a historic shift for Yamaha E0:21A 2 o'clock. For decades, the Yamaha R1 has stood tall as one of the most iconic liter-class bikes in history. Since its debut in 1998, the R1 has stuck with the inline-4 layout, a configuration Yamaha mastered like no other. With cross-plane crankshaft tech inspired by MotoGP, the R1's unique growl and razor-sharp handling earned it a legendary status on road and track alike. But times are changing. After nearly 30 years of dominance with the inline-4 engine, Yamaha has finally confirmed a seismic shift in philosophy. The 2027 R1 will be powered by a V4 engine. Why the change? It's simple: to compete at the highest level with the likes of the Ducati Panigale V4, Aprilia RSV4, and Honda's RC213 VS-inspired CBR 1000RR. Yamaha's been watching the competition, and now they're ready to join the V4 club. ASTMI Diaris Cedilla, Section 2, the V4 engine. What to expect A2:01A 4 o'clock. So, what can we expect from Yamaha's all-new V4 platform? While exact specifications haven't been released yet, insiders suggest the engine will be heavily inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP bike, the YZR-M1. That means high revving power, a compact design for better mass centralization, and razor-sharp throttle response. We're talking an estimated output of over 220 horsepower, state-of-the-art electronics, and a dry weight likely under 180 kilograms. It's not just about raw numbers though. Yamaha's engineers are focusing on real-world rideability, track performance, and stability under extreme braking and acceleration. And let's not forget, this new V4 is being designed to meet ever-tightening emissions regulations, while still delivering visceral performance that excites both track riders and daily enthusiasts. Expect a MotoGP-level electronics suite, including cornering ABS, multi-level traction and slide control, launch and wheelie control, integrated GPS-based lap timing, up-down quick shifter with auto blipper, and potentially even adaptive aerodynamics. FY Section Negation, Section 3, Racing DNA Reborn A4:01A 530. Yamaha has always infused racing DNA into its street bikes, but this R1 V4 project takes that to another level. The bike is being co-developed with Yamaha's MotoGP division, similar to what Ducati has done with their Dismo ZDC. Track enthusiasts, rejoice, there's a strong possibility we'll see a track-only R1 MV4 with upgraded A-lins, suspension, carbon bodywork, and titanium components, potentially even a homologation version for World SBK. And with Yamaha pulling out of World Superbike in recent seasons, this move may signal a return to the big leagues with a weapon built to win. Diaris, Section 4, what this means for the future. A5:31A 645. The R1 V4 isn't just a new engine, it's a symbol of evolution. Yamaha understands that to stay competitive, especially in a world filled with performance bikes like the BMW M1000RR and Panigale V4R, they need to evolve. It also suggests Yamaha is preparing for a longer-term hybrid or electric future, using the V4 as a platform to bridge into new technologies while keeping the core enthusiast base excited. It's a smart move. Rather than phasing out internal combustion suddenly, Yamaha is squeezing out every ounce of engineering magic before the inevitable electric shift. Section 5, Release Dates and Final Thoughts. A6:46A 8 o'clock. The Yamaha R1 V4 is expected to make its official debut in late 2026, likely at ICMA, with deliveries starting early 2027. Pricing hasn't been revealed, but don't be surprised if the standard model starts around $25,000, with premium R1M or limited edition models reaching closer to $40,000. This is Yamaha's biggest move in over 2 decades and it's going to be legendary. If you're a fan of the R1 legacy, this V4 version isn't the end of the road a broken bar, it's a bold new beginning. Ethisidiaris is Cedilla, outro A8:01+. Thanks for watching. If you're hyped for the 2027 Yamaha R1 V4 like we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment below. Are you ready to see Yamaha enter the V4 war? Or are you going to miss the inline 4 crossplane magic? Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Want me to help you write your video title, tags, or thumbnail text next?